How to make a random number generator in code. First, we are going to add a button. Then add a label. Then make a script. And select the button node. And make a pressed signal. We are going to change the label's text from code, and the text will be the random number generated from our random number generator. Let's make a variable. Change the value of our variable to rand range 1 to 100. This will give us a random number from 1 to 100. Then we will place randomize to make it so that our seed will be different each time and it will be more random. Let's make the labels text. Into our variable. But our variable is an integer and the text should be a string. So let's make our integer into a string. Then we will place our variable. Let's test it out. Now I will press this button and our label's text should be our random number. It works, but as you can see, this number has a decimal. So let's try and remove this decimal since not everyone wants a decimal in their random number. We will just add round. Now this should round our number that had a decimal. Let's test it out. Let's press this button. It worked. Now our number doesn't have a decimal. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.